Hey guys, and welcome to the Tech Source. Today you find me with PC stuff around me. Again, we're building another PC. This PC is for a friend of a friend. I'm building it for. He had a small budget of like $900 and plus tax and all that jazz. Before tax, and stuff, it's relatively cheap, this computer. It's on Facebook, the full price. I can't remember off the top of my head. But Canadian sales tax and shipping a PC isn't cheap, so it drives the price up a lot. So it's really screwed up with our budget, but whatever. So for parts, we got our ATI Radeon HD 6870 video card. I know the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 560, the regular one, non-TI, non-448, is faster by 1%. They're literally the same card. The only reason why I went with this is I do prefer ATI cards, and plus it is cheaper, and when you're trying to save money, cheaper is always better. And you know, the performance is, when you're considering price to the dollar, this is better value. Got an AMD 955 Black Edition quad core. This one's at 3.2 gigahertz, has 8 meg cache, and it's socket AM3. This is a great processor. I've used these in many PCs, still fast today, still great for gaming. There's really no need for anything really high-end. It was either that or an i5, but this is fine. It saved them a lot of money. So you could get a better video card, basically. And because also, I probably could have done an Intel setup, but the hard drive prices, because the hard drive crisis, bullshit, basically this drive was $100. Well, I got it for $89 on sale, but normal price is $100 for a 500 gig WD Blue, which is bullshit. Because this drive was manufactured before the hard drive crisis. Bullcrap. And yeah, so prices haven't gone down. Hard drives are being produced now. They're in stock everywhere. They're going, oh, we can only limit you to 10 per customer, but whatever. So that's bullshit, and that really screwed the price up for this build. So we have a Samsung DVD drive. It's a burner and all that jazz. CLATA. We got a Corsair CX 600 watt power supply. Corsair power supply is really good. I like them. I use them personally, and I use them in a lot of builds. They come at a good price, and especially their Builder series. It's just a straight up honest power supply, and comes with all the good connectors. It's not modular though. For motherboard, we got an AMD M4A88TV Evo USB 3 board. This is a full-size ATX board. It supports Crossfire. It has MemoK, Core Unlocker, Turbo Key 2, 8-channel audio, 2 USB 3.0 ports. It's the 880G chipset, and it's socket AM3. So it's a decent motherboard, and it'd be good for this guy. All this guy's doing is playing World of Warcraft, guys, and it's like, this system's so overkill for that. And also we included Windows 7 Home Premium. I hope you ask yourself, where's the RAM? Well, the RAM's not here yet, and I've got impatient. I'm just going to build the system without it, because I have other RAMs, so I can just continue building the system, but I'm not going to put it in the video. RAM, we got Mushkin DDR3 1333 memory for like 30 bucks. It was like stupid cheap, and it was 8 gigs of it, so it's fine for him. And if anything, I can overclock to the 1600, then boom, there we go. The 1600 RAM was an extra 10 bucks, so why am I going to buy it when I could overclock the memory? Also, to case it all in, we got a Bitfinex Shinobi case, got that for sale on sale. It was like 50 bucks, or $49, ridiculously cheap. So that's a wicked deal. So far, we did an unboxing of this case. I'm pretty impressed with it, and we'll see how it is when I put it all together. So, it's a pretty basic system, nothing crazy, but it's always fun to build the system, guys, and that's kind of part of the hobby. It's fun to just build systems and put things together. So it doesn't really matter what your system is, but it's kind of cool to put it together, make it look cool, and we're just going to do just that today on the TechSource.tv. So stick around, watch me build a PC at 300 times speed.